Hi, so let's take a look at some of the biggest and most popular AI tools out there. And the most famous one is ChatGPT. It's created by a company called OpenAI, and Sam Altman is the CEO of that company. So this is a very simple interface here on ChatGPT. You get to start asking questions or writing prompts or instructions here, and it can generate response, and then you can further reply to it and use it as an assistant to get whatever you want. You can generate any text, codes, images, and ChatGPT at its core utilizes some large language models that are LLMs that are trained on massive amount of data. So they have multiple LLMs or models to choose from. For example, here you can see a model ChatGPT 4o. There are O1 preview, O1 mini. There are many more models, and these models actually drive these AI tools. And then some of the early employees of OpenAI who made ChatGPT got out of that company and created another one called Anthropic, and they have this product Claude. So Claude is a competitor of ChatGPT and does almost similar things. You can prompt here, click enter, and it gets you some responses that you can reply to and get further things down the line. So both Claude or ChatGPT, they are designed to actually generate anything for anyone. So not just for teachers. You are a teacher, you can create lesson plan, fine. But a marketer can generate a marketing plan, or a copywriter or content writer can generate a blog article. So they are designed for doing lots of things, and that comes with some strengths. For example, these companies are at the front of AI technology. So they invest billions of dollars to improve these models and capacity of AI in general. So they are very powerful, and they get even more powerful day by day. And since they can actually do anything, you can do anything, and everything gets down to how better or how good you are at prompting. So prompting is so much important. There is a term called prompt engineering. So you have to engineer your prompt to get the best out of it. Since it's general purpose, the problem is they lack specialization. They oftentimes provide very generic information or less relevant answers for specific industries. So you have to like give him enough context and do the prompting right. So you'll have to master prompt engineering to master ChatGPT or Claude. And also, since these companies invested billions of dollars in building these models or LLMs, they want other companies to utilize them as well, because most other companies can't actually invest in building own LLMs. So what they do is use OpenAI or Anthropic's LLMs and any other models out there and build their own tool specifically for specific use cases and specific industries. For example, here is a tool, Gamma. This is my favorite. They do not create anything or everything. They just focus on creating presentations, and they do better presentations than ChatGPT or Claude. And their entire workflow is built around how beautiful your slides are. So ChatGPT and Claude are more powerful in general, but they can't beat Gamma in the utility of creating presentations. Same goes for Khanmigo. This is a teacher-specific tool created by Khan Academy and in collaboration with Microsoft. So they use the same models, some of the same models OpenAI use, and they build use cases and utilities for teachers around teaching resources for learners and for parents. Same goes for Monsha. We're using the same OpenAI models and building a comprehensive workflow around resource creation, lesson planning, differentiation, and course planning. So which ones do you use actually? The general purpose one or the specialized one? So actually you should try both, because prompt engineering is a skill and it's going to be a very important skill down the line. So no matter what tool you use, how less you have to prompt, prompting gets actually more important day by day. So it's better you get comfortable with ChatGPT for general purpose uses and for most other tasks. But for the specialized ones that are very important to you and that are your most time consuming works, where you need the most help, you can actually explore those tool specific or use case specific tools. There are many other tools, not just in teaching, but in general, in creativity, in data analysis, video editing, whatever. There are other specific tools that are based on AI or models that you should try and explore